Hi guys, Heath and Sean here from RockSolidTraining.com. Today we're going to be doing shoulders and calves. So far this week, we've done chest on Monday, back Tuesday, legs yesterday, which are killing me by the way. And now today we'll turn around once again, shoulders and calves.
Shoulder day.
Let's do this.
Alright, so we always like to start our shoulder workouts with a press of some sort. So it could be dumbbells, could be bar, could be machine. We did dumbbells last week, so this week we're going to hit the machine. So pretty straightforward on the machine shoulder press here. You just want to keep your spine pretty straight, not get into this position like you see some people do. And then from there, again this week we're working those 3-second negatives, accelerate through the contraction. So on calves, we're trying to hit a heavy day and a lighter, higher rep day every week. So Monday we had 10 sets of 10 heavy. Today we're doing 4 sets of 100 again. So just body weight, we're going a little faster, but still trying to get that full range of motion. All right, we're doing 3 working sets. We're doing one more 4th set, and this is a run the rack. So we're going 3 times 10. I'm going to do 10 heavy, drop weight, 10 more, drop weight, 10 more. Here we go. All right, next up on shoulders, we're going to do another compound lift before we get into our isolation lifts. And for this one, we're going to do upright rows. And today, we're going to do a lying upright row. So we're lying on the ground using a cable machine. The benefit of that is that it's going to stop you from cheating or getting any type of swing to help you get that up. You're going to be stuck down here in a nice strict motion with no help from your torso or your knees popping or any of that. So the best way to do this is a dual cable cross, like this free motion here. Just pushing the handles all the way in, all the way down, so they're about shoulder width apart. And then I like to put a step here just to get my feet something to brace on. If you don't have one of these, you can get if you have just a single pulley, you can use a straight bar or a curl bar, or put 2 of these on there, and then just go off 1 pulley as well. That works too. So the main thing here, we're lying all the way flat, and then I want to keep my elbows above my hands, all right? So just come up to a big chicken wing, like so. So accelerate through, control the negative. I like to rotate my knuckles in towards each other on these. And the reason for that, come down here. When I rotate my hands, I go from here to in. And the reason for that is when you're on like a straight bar or some other way, you're doing an upright row, your forearm is coming straight off, pointing towards the inside. If you're here, you gotta really tweak your wrist to get that. So rotating your knuckles in just gives you that straight line off your wrist and a lot less pressure and soreness on your wrist that way.
Alright guys, if you've been following along for the last 2 weeks, you'll know that at the end of every exercise, the last set, we do a run the rack set, okay? So on this one, same thing, we're going to do 8 to 10 repetitions. Once again, perfect form, getting to the failure point. 3-second negatives are on the way down, pop it back up. 8 to 10, drop the weight, 8 to 10, drop the weight again, and finish around that same rep range. About 25 to 35% drop in weight every single time. Here we go. Next movement we have here, we're going into our isolation movements. We've done our compound movements. We're going to go into a rear cable fly. Okay. What we like to do here is we like to cross our arms. Okay. Once again, it's all about range of motion through all these movements that we're doing. Okay. We're going to let our arms all the way out. Arms are nice and straight. Bringing it back. Once again, my arms are straight again. I get a squeeze in my rear delt. Okay. That's the back part of my shoulder. 3 seconds on the way in. Full range of motion, bring it back out. 1, 2, 3.
All right, for front delts today, we're gonna be doing them off an incline bench. So set your bench to about 45 degrees. And then we're gonna use dumbbells today. This also works pretty good with a curl bar as well. But I like dumbbells, keeps you in that kind of, you can go from outside to inside with dumbbells, follow that natural path of your front delt. So just like this here. All right, our last move for shoulder day is another one of my favorite lateral moves. It's a leaning lateral raise, all right? So you want to find something to hang on to. It can be just a rail or a squat rack or whatever works for you. And then from there, you want to walk your feet in towards your handle. And then you want a straight arm here, straight body. So you lean out this way. You don't want to bring your hips in here. It kind of defeats the purpose. So keep everything nice and straight, and then a straight arm too. And we're just doing a lateral raise. And we're still following that same principle of rotating your arms up. So dumping out the beer bottle, if you recall from last week. All right, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to join us on rocksolidtraining.com.